So we're out here. I've got my gear set up. We're about to take the drone off. Just behind the levee here at a little secret area. Obviously, a lot of my DJI gear right now. About to take off with the head tracking and do some flying around. And I've got the tripod ready to go. Got my phone app set up. So let's see how this looks. All right, welcome to Flying at the Levee, Volume 1. Let's go ahead and prep the motors. All right, looks like we're good to go. Let's take off and see what happens. I've got the windproof shield on the mic right now. All right, I'm gonna have to be careful to avoid these power lines, but they're not too bad. Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. So we're up right now. I guess there's not much to see on the DJI right now except just me piloting this thing. I'll try and maybe cut in the photo or the video that I'm taking right now on the drone. Maybe I can add that in post. Wow. Oh, that would be sick right here. That's a beautiful shot. Okay, record, head tracking. So here I am. We'll cut in this footage of me flying the drone here at the lake, which is just next door. See if we can swap modes here. Forgot where the mode button is. Is it this one? There we go. Beautiful. Got plenty of battery. Well, actually, let's bring the drone in for a landing, and then I'll conclude the video. Just doesn't have that capability. Oh man, I bet I look silly flying this with the motion controller. It's like you kind of have to be facing a certain way to fly it right with the head tracking on. Let's see if I can land this thing. Perfect landing. All right. Let's see how that looks later. I'll have to edit it later on this, but it'll be awesome.